Hey everyone, welcome to lesson number 4. Now we have the house, we have the planet, the trees and the mountains. Now it's time to create the fences. This is what we're going to create on this lesson. Now the fences are really simple. Let's create a new document and let's create a cube. Now let's fix this cube a little. Let's make it a little narrow and decrease the size of the z-axis too until it's like this. This shape is good. Now let's go to layout and select modeling, and it's time to make this cube editable by pressing the C key on your keyboard. Now that it's editable, it's time to select the polygon selection, take this one, the top polygon, and you're going to select extrude. Now for extrude, just click here on new transform and you will have this. You will have a different shape here. Now with this shape selected, take your scale tool and decrease the size of this shape like this. You don't have to close it entirely, just like this is fine. Now select your move tool and move this just a little bit to the top. Let's see how this looks. Perfect. Now we have the first part of the fence. Now just create another cube and make it even thinner than the fence. And shorter too. This will be the joints of the fences. Okay, just a little bit more like this, and take it to the right. And now let's create duplicates for these two shapes. We can always make some more if we want. Now select all of these and go to your clay planet and paste them. And you can see that we have different groups of fences, so we can change the rotation on every one of these groups. For example, the first group, we can rotate it a little bit to the left and place it lower, and repeat the same process until we have a little nice row of fences here. Okay, now turn on the camera again, and we need to create a duplicate of these fences and place it on the other side. Now change the rotation of this, because again I want to see a little bit of the fences. And now we have a nice set of fences here. So that's it for this lesson. You can see that creating the fences was really easy. So let's go to the next one.